Happy Independence Day to everyone. Today I am making rose shaped momos in tricolor. So quickly start. Let's begin. Take a pan, 2 teaspoons of oil. Saute onions. I have taken 2 small onions. This is 250 grams of paneer I have taken. So add everything. Add salt according to taste, just 1 teaspoon. Now all the water is coming out, so you have to cook till the water absorbs. We are not overcooking the veggies, just for a while we'll just saute it. It will take almost like 2 to 3 minutes more. It's almost coming to an end. So I'm adding little crushed pepper. Just crush. Right. It's almost done. The stuffing is ready. I'm turning off the flame now. I've taken 1 small cup of maida each and mix the colors. Added green color. I have taken organic color. You can even add blanched spinach, whatever. Today is a theme one, so I just made the colorful. And the orange color, don't mix too much of water, just make the dough with little water and salt. Make sure the dough has this consistency so that we can make the shape easily. And this is the normal, I didn't put anything. For making the rose shape, I am taking 3 different kinds of. You can take even balls. I am taking glasses. I mean, whatever is convenient to you. It need to be 3 shape. Like this is the bigger, this is a medium, and this is a smaller one. So let's start now. Clean the platform. It's always better to make it on the platform. Just spread the maida. Now, I'm first making the white ones. Okay. So take this, the roti shape. I mean. Make it neither too thin nor too thick. So just see how I make this. Now just press this like this. The smaller. We can use to make another one. So just roll like this. Take the stuffing. Now slowly roll and press here. Make sure the stuffing doesn't come out. Just pinch here. And now slowly from the smaller shape, just roll like this. You can get a beautiful rose flower. And in the corner, just press. I just brush little oil so that it doesn't stick. Now I am making the orange shape. Making the shape. This color looks really beautiful. In the same process, just roll. The same way I'm making the green one. Press, just move like this so it comes out neatly. Make sure you place the stuffing in a straight line so that the flower comes neatly. So now I am roll the shape. So just from the lower side, from the smaller, just like this. Just roll it, putting the finger under the momo so that it comes neatly. Look at how beautiful it looks. Now I'll keep it for steaming. Take any steamer or even the idli container, you can make it. Anything is fine. I have the steamer, so just brush little oil. We'll steam for 10 to 12 minutes. So slowly place them. I'm cooking on high flame. I'm sharing the recipe of quick Szechuan chutney. I do it regularly. Normally you can make with these red chilies. You can soak in hot water and you can make. But I keep these red chilies and soak it in the vinegar. These are not the spicy ones which we make it for pickle, red pickle. So this will stay for year long for me. So whenever I make chutney, I just take them out as it is not too spicy. The chilies out of vinegar. So this much is enough for me. No? So 2 tomatoes have taken the hybrid one, and you can see the stems of fresh coriander. Okay, are taken, and garlic pods. These are like 8 to 10. Just add everything together. Little sugar, just half teaspoon of sugar, and salt, just according to the taste. So blend it to a fine paste. Our chutney is ready. Our momos are done. Wow. Just turn off the flame. I will serve on the plate. Our momos are ready for plating. You can see how beautiful they are looking. For detailed recipe, please check the description box. Thanks for watching.